All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we jump into this chart, I just want to quickly announce that I have created a Twitter. The link is down below in the description. And I want you guys to stay tuned till the end of this video because I do have a ticker symbol I definitely want you guys to add to your watch list. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold, but I do want to enlighten you guys on this ticker symbol and the possible reasons why there's some catalysts forming to continue to expand. It's already been moving up pretty well, and I think it can continue. So let's jump into SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. So this stock is continuing the upward trend. Resistance was broken through, and you could see twice how it almost touched it and bounced right off of it to continue upwards to newer highs. It reached 74 cents and, to be exact, 74.54. And it started to fall, right? So we're going to look at our new resistance and support, but I want to go ahead and applaud every single one of you that have actually rebutted my statements, because I've been stating that I believe that the run was going to last up to this point today and start to kind of dwindle down, and it's continuing that upward effect. Now, I know that there's some more catalysts coming later this month, but I thought that things were going to cool off right after. To those of you that have been saying, I believe the run's going to continue till the end of the week, I applaud you guys. Now, we definitely want to watch it tomorrow. It's Friday. Usually stocks tend to, go a little bit lower due to the fact of profit taking, uncertainty of holding over the weekend, and so forth. But really good on every single one of yours part. I really appreciate your guys' insight and your perspectives. I just like sharing how I feel and so forth. We still had to watch how it reacted. I mean, if it broke through resistance, then obviously it wasn't going the other way. And if it broke through support, it was something to watch very carefully. So now I definitely want to advise every single investor that resistance levels definitely need to be broken through. We're going to jump into it now in just a moment. And I'm going to tell you guys why this needs to be broken through and why this is going to be a big, big thing moving forward, like into tomorrow's day and starting the next week. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the 50-day moving average is moving up pretty fast. Super fast. It's trying to catch up to the price like ASAP. And if this stock doesn't start to run up, the 50-day moving average could catch up to the price and by default cross it, right? Even if they broke through resistance and they can't break through the highest point and they just hang out here, this 50-day moving average can catch up to the price within the next day or 2 or 3 trading days. So that could be anywhere between tomorrow and starting next week, right? All the way on to either Monday or Tuesday, like around the beginning of the week, if they can't go any further. This is just hypothetically speaking, but just letting you guys know how quickly this 50-day moving average is moving. Once it crosses it, it can give leverage to the bears to pull this stock down. Now that's speaking if they break through resistance and hit newer highs and kind of just hang out there and don't break through the highest point up here at 74.52, 54, give or take. Now, if it just hangs out down here in this channel, this could cross the stock price fairly quickly and end up above it, getting it into bearish territory once again and pulling it down because the bears have leverage by default. So I want every single investor to be aware that resistance needs to be broken through and support needs to be avoided, because the 50-day moving average is actually above the lowest point here before this actually started to recover. And the next low, right, is down here at 59.76 after this support. I'd write that down, 59.76. Now, the 50-day moving average is 64.15 to be exact, but I can't land right on it. But it's 64.15 to be exact, or 64 cents. And if that gets crossed and ends up anywhere below it, there's a very small window between the 50-day moving average and support already in bearish territory to see if the bulls try to reappear or is this going to get torn down to newer lows and newer support levels? So it's going to be important to watch this carefully. And our support level here is 63.48. 63.48 is definitely a point of reference to watch closely, carefully, and how quickly it breaks through it or reaches towards it, and do the bulls reappear anywhere above it or close to it or slightly below it and pull themselves back up, because we're in tug of war zone right now with the 50-day moving average catching up to the price quickly, and this could end up in bearish territory much easier the closer this gets. Now, 63.48 is a big stretch from where we're at. We're at 69.03, but just as volatile as this can go upwards, it can go downwards. So we need to watch this closely. Okay, I want every single investor to be aware of that. Now, resistance, very important, and most importantly up here at 74.52, 53, give or take 54, in that area. Very, very important for this to be broken through. But before getting there, 70.44 to be exact, has to be broken through by the bulls. They need to break through this. I want to emphasize this. They need to break through this resistance to continue their momentum, do the staircase effect, to go ahead and land on it, use it as support, and bounce off of it to reach new highs, new resistance levels, and pull further away from the 50-day moving average in the upward direction. So 70.44 needs to be broken through and turn into a support. I want every single investor to be aware of this. Okay? Very important. I hope that with these cues, you guys are well equipped for tomorrow's trading day. Once again, I want to say thank you for those of you that have shared your input, and those of you that had seen, based off the chart and your own analysis, that this could continue to run, or just your conviction about the catalyst moving forward. I'm just more of the person to be a little hesitant due to the fact that you want to pay close attention to how it builds up towards the catalyst, and after the catalyst, what's going to go on. But this is continuing its run. So my question to every single investor is, do you guys see this hitting $1 this month? Do you think this catalyst can roll over to next week? Like, okay, it could possibly pull back a little bit because that's normal, some profit taking. But do you guys see this just continuing to compound and work its way up to newer highs, reaching $1, probably even breaking through $1, and leading up to the biggest catalyst that a lot of people have talked about and are stating, January 20th, on the date of inauguration? Do you think that this catalyst from the 6th to the 20th can continue its run till that point, or break through $1? I really look forward to seeing your guys' comments and thoughts down below. Again, I hope that you guys find these cues helpful and informative. And if you're a first-time viewer and investor, hit that like button. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And to all viewers and even my subscribers, don't forget to click on the like button, because that's the best way to let me know you watch this video, and share it with your friends and community as well. Not just the new subscribers, but even all viewers and all subscribers. So those of you that have stayed to this point, looking forward to the ticker symbol I'm going to share with you guys. The ticker symbol I want to share with you guys is WBA. You want to add this to your watch list, and there's a few reasons why. There's a few catalysts moving forward that are going to make this stock continue to move upwards. It's already moving upwards since the end of last year up to this year. I go into more deep, thorough analysis in a video. It's in the description down below. I posted it yesterday. If you haven't seen it already or weren't aware of it, the link is down below. But just to give you a quick summary, they have a lot to do with the rollouts of vaccination, right, for the COVID-19 vaccine. And they also are expanding and innovating their business platform. So check it out.